what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter.
So dito na kami guys, papunta na kami sa Henting. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa Henting or Genting Highlands Premium Outlet. Libot muna kami dito so we can explore ano ba yung mga shops. Kung may pera, makakabili. Kung wala, titingin na lang. Okay, samahan niyo ako guys. Ito yung mga branded items here sa Genting outlets. So vlog lang tayo dito. Yan guys. Yan, pag pumunta kayo dito, ito ang inyong makikita. Mga luxury items. Mga branded item shops, no? Pwede nyong puntahan dito. Ganda. Still here at the outlet guys, and yan, pakita ko na lahat ng possible na ipapakita dito. Even the restroom, they look like this here. Okay, yung restroom lang ako sandali. And tingnan natin uli yung mga shops sa labas. Rin dito guys, oh. So pag may mga babies, yan. Pag pwede kayong pwede kayong magpalit ng doon. Pag may mga bata, yung diaper. So ito pa ibang mga shops dito. Medyo malaki tong outlet dito, guys, no. So ito yung Hush Puppies. G2000 nandito. Soda. Yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Yung mga kasama ko nasa baba na sila. Nasa baba kami kanina, nandoon. Ikot pa rin. kung may mabibili sila. So ito itsura ng outlet dito guys. Malaki, madaming shops. And you can choose from many items, no? Selection dito. Ganda, hindi masyadong maraming tao. Yan, pero kasi today is Friday. Hindi ko lang alam sa weekend. Ano pa? Tingnan natin dito. Ito yung baba guys, no? Sige, pakita ko pa iba later. Baba na muna ako. Nice. So ayan guys, so ito na muna, no, first part ng aming Genting experience. So this is what I'm going to share with you. So I hope you enjoy my video, no, na ginawa para sa inyo. So dito lang tayo, dito. Ganda ng lugar. Medyo malamig dito, around 17 siguro. Parang Baguio weather siya, no? Pero may mga times daw na madaling araw ay sobrang lamig, nagne-negative degree, negative, ano, ang temperature niya. But now the weather is pretty fair. So okay naman siya. So yun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.